Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Board Search Standard 3rd Subject Maths Chapter number 6 Fun with Give and Take. In earlier videos we learn about the word problems, okay, and in word problems we learn about some keywords regarding subtraction, okay. So which are the keywords to identify the subtraction sum? So there are left over, then how many more. These all are the keywords to identify the subtraction sums, okay. Now in this video we have to learn about the subtraction on the number line, okay. Our new topic name is subtraction on number line, okay. Now let's start our topic. Today our topic is subtraction on number line, okay. Before starting our new topic, okay, here I written some steps regarding this topic, okay, and according these steps we solve each sum on subtraction on number line, okay. So first of all I will read these all steps, okay, and then we will start solve the sum, right? Okay, so here first number step is move forward small to big number, okay. In first step what we have to do on number line, first of all we have to write small number and then we have to go forward big number, right? Then second number step, move with 10 steps forward, okay. Every time we have to move 10 steps, okay. Every time we have to jump 10 steps, okay. Now then third step, try to reach to the greater number which is given in the question, okay. For example, here I will take one example. For example, 25 minus 15, okay. So here which is the greater number? 25, and what is the smaller number? 15, okay. So here we have to start from 15, right, and we have to reach up to 25, right, okay. Then fourth number step, then count your step and your step will be your answer, okay. So now let's start our sum according to this step, okay. First number sum is 35 minus 15, okay. Now here first of all you have to observe that which are the greater number and which are the smaller number. So here if you observe that 35 is greater number and 15 is smaller number, okay. Now let's look the step, okay. First number step, move forward small to big number, okay. Here we have to move from small number, okay. So here first of all I will draw here number line, okay, okay. And now on number line which number we have to write? First a small number, okay, and which are the small number? 15. So here I will write 15, okay. Understood first number step. Now let's move on second number step, okay. Now here we have to move with 10 step forward, okay. Now we have to 10 step move forward, okay. So here if we add 15 plus 10, 25, right, okay. And also remember that third number step, okay, we have to reach up to the greater number which is given in our question. So in our question what is given? 35, so we have to go up to 35, right? Now so here 25, if we again add 10, so what is number? Which number is given? 35, okay. Now here if you observe that we move every step 10, okay. So here we can write jump from 10, so here I write 10, okay. Then again we jump 10 step, okay. Now here if you observe that 15 to 25 and 25 to 35, right, we reached up to 35, right, okay. So how can we write answer here? So here if you observe the how many times we jump? 2 times, okay. And how many jumps? 10 steps. So here we can write 10 plus 10, okay. So 10 plus 10, what is the answer? 20, okay. So here we can write 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. Understood about this sum? Okay, second number sum is 38 minus 17, okay. 38 minus 17, okay. Now first of all we have to start from step by step, okay. So here first number step is move forward small to big number, okay. If you observe that 38 is greater number and 17 is smaller number, so on the number line we have to first write a smaller number 17, Understood? Then and in second step we have to move with 10 steps forward. Okay, so here if we add 10, 70 plus 10, 27, right? Then 27 plus 10, 37, and again if we add 10, 47. You understood about the second number step? Okay, now in third step what we have to do? Try to reach to the greater number which is given in question. Okay, here which is the greater number is given 38. Now here if you observe that 17 plus 10, 27, 27 plus 10, 37. Now 38 is the nearest number up to 37, right? So here we have to jump only one step. Okay, here if we jump from 37 to 38, so means we have to reach up to 38. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, so here how many steps we jump? 10. Again we have to jump 10 steps, means we reach up to 37. Now here we have to reach up to 38. So here if I move from one number, okay, here I can write 38. So here how many jump we step? 1. Okay, so if you add now this 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. This one is our fourth step. Then count your step. Okay, so here we can now calculate our step. 10 plus 10 plus 1, right? Okay, so here 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. So our answer is 21, right? So here how can we write? 38 minus 17 is equal to 21. Understood about this sum? Okay, now let's start our third number sum. Okay, third number sum is 49 minus 20. Okay, so here first of all I will draw a number line. Okay, now you understood about the step. Okay, so in first step we have to write our small number. Okay, here so if you observe that 20 is the smaller number, right? And in second step we have to move with 10 steps forward. Okay, so here we have to add every time 10, 10, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, and 40 plus 10, 50. Okay, now in third step try to reach the greater number which is given in question. In question here given 49. Okay, so here if we add 10, 10 and 10, means here we can write 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, right? But here we have to reach up to 49, but here we already reach on 50. So here we have to move forward or backward. So we have to go backward, right? And how many steps? One step we have to go back. So here if we observe that here if I go one step back, okay, here so here we can write 49. So here how can we write the answer? So here we go 10 plus 10 plus 10, means we reach on 50. Then again we come one step back. So here we have to write minus 1. Okay, here be careful, when we go forward we have to do addition, and when we have to go backward we have to do here subtraction, right? Okay, then 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So here I write 30 minus 1. So 30 minus 1, 29. Understood about that? So here what is our answer? 49 minus 20 is equal to 29. Understood about this sum? Let's start our fourth number sum. Okay, 54 minus 32. Okay, now we have to go according this step. Okay, so first of all on number line we have to write small number. So if you observe that 32 and 54, 32 is smaller number. Okay, so here I can write 32. Now in second step we have to go 10 steps forward. Okay, so 32, 42. Then if we add 10 we reach on 52. Okay, now here if you observe that 54 is nearest to 52, right? Okay, now here if you observe that if we go 2 steps forward, we reach on 54, right? So here how can we write here? 32 to 42 means 10 steps. Okay, then again 42 to 52, 10 step. Now here we have to reach up to 54. Okay, now here we have to go 2 step forward. Okay, so here if we add 52 plus 2, right, so we reach on 54, right? Okay, so how can we here we can write 2 step, right? Okay, so how can we calculate 10 plus 10? Here we go 2 step forward, right? So here we can write plus 2. Understood? Now 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Okay, so here our answer is 22. So how can we write 54 minus 32 is equal to 22? Understood about this sum? Let's see fifth number sum. Okay, 76 minus 38. Okay, so here first of all we have to draw number line. Okay, now on number line we have to write smaller number, right? So here 76 and 38 is smaller number, right? So here 38 I have written. Okay, now second step, move it 10 step forward. Okay, so here 38 plus 10, 48, then 58, then 68, and then 78. Okay, if you observe here 76. Okay, so here we go up to 78, right? Okay, now here we have to reach up to only 76, right? Here we go 10 step forward, right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, here we reach on 78. Okay, but we have to go on 76. Okay, so here we have to go 2 step back, right? So here if we go 2 step back we reach on 76. Okay, so here now how can we write answer? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, and in this step we go 2 step back, so here we have to write minus 2. Understood about that? Now 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So here we can write 40 minus 2, right? Now 42 minus 2, 39 or 38. So here our answer is 38. Okay, so here how can we write 76 minus 38 is equal to 38. Understood about this sum? Start our last number sum. Okay, and sixth number is 63 minus 27. Okay, so here first of all we have to draw number line. Okay, on number line we have to write first small number. Okay, so here we can write 27. Okay, now in second step we have to go 10 step forward. 27 plus 10, 37, then 47, okay, then 57. Okay, now here if you count then 10, 10, 10. Okay, here we can write 10 plus 10 plus 10, but here we have to reach up to 63. So here if you observe here, if we count that 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 and 63. So here we have to go 6 step forward, right? So here if we go 6 step forward then we reach on 63, right? Okay, so how can we write our answer? 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now here we go 6 step forward. Okay, so we can write here plus 6. Okay, so here 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 6. Okay, so here we can write 36. Okay, so here how can we write 63 minus 27 is equal to 36. Understood about this sum? I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.